Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert watermark from selected page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take some page. Now we want to insert watermark from selected page. Go to the design menu, then click watermark option. Choose custom watermark. Select the text watermark and change the text. Then change the color. Then click OK. Then go to the first page and go to layout menu. Then click breaks drop down menu, choose continuous. Then go back the insert menu. Click header option, choose blank header. Then go to the second page and click link to previous. Then click the watermark text and delete it. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we insert watermark from selected page in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.